First, Zimbabwe military dossier against Mnangagwa family. Sarabina mashoko arikubuda panguva ino anonyogwa by Kambakwe media achiexposa corruption iri kuitika the ruling party ZANU-PF. Aiwa nema allies ari close to the top leadership. Remember subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina pana painde gamba kwa mdanyara chiti. The opponent we are up against is formidable in that he is invested in people by empowering them through corrupt deals. He has surrounded himself with a shadow of elite advisory team made up of KUTYA, Professor Mtulinguvi, George Gwamatanga, Obey Chimuka, and Dr. John Panonetsa Mangochia. This elite committee has more power than the cabinet, and they meet weekly, either on Wednesday or Thursday, after cabinet to discuss how to use cabinet resolutions for their benefit. This committee decides on government appointments so to ensure there is seamless state capture. To safeguard their perpetual looting of government resources, the committee first hatched the Mantra Vision 2030 under the guise of an economic blueprint. Yet they wanted people to start thinking about suspending elections in 2028 to allow ZIM 1 to remain in power beyond 2030. In their deliberations, they expect to have eliminated Masoja Ese Anonetsa by that time. In fact, they always say, Anenge Atinetsa Tinomuyisa Pachikomo. To kickstart their 2030 project, they decided to use Vikno Chivayo as a symbol of young, successful business people who are aligned to ZIM 1. They started giving him huge contracts to raise money for the cars that he was donating. Through their network of security personnel, Vikno Chivayo has been allowed to impact the dangerous drug, crystal meth, from India, and then he pushes it through his streets. Runners led by his brother, Joachim Chivayo, also known as the Streets G6. Joachim Chivayo was once arrested in South Africa after he was caught with a gold bars at Old Tambo Airport. Ndo mashoko arikubuda panguva ine ari kunyogwa gamba kwemedia echiexposa corruption iri kuitika the ruling party ZANU-PF. Aiwa nevanhu vari kuonekwa kunzi these are the allies aiwa emutungamiri wenyika vari kuonekwa kunzi vari kunyatsokuita mameetings vachigara pasi vachidecida kuti how can they capture the state and fund home state funds. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Wabvina comment section medu mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.